What if your smoothie bowls could taste like they're straight out of a 5-star cafe, but made right in your kitchen? If chunky blends and weak motors frustrate you, stay with me. Today, I'm sharing the top 7 best blenders for smoothie bowls, saving you time, money, and disappointment. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below to grab your favorite. At number 7 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Did you know most people quit making smoothie bowls because their blender can't handle frozen fruit? That frustration ends here. Let's talk about the NutriBullet Personal Blender, a compact powerhouse that surprised me. First impressions, small but mighty with 600 watts of power, this little machine crushes strawberries, spinach, even frozen berries without whining. For thick smoothie bowls, that torque matters. Compared to bulkier high-performance blenders in our top picks, it's smaller, but shockingly capable. And that convenience? Game-changing. But is power alone enough? Design and daily use, built for real-life push. Twist. Blend. That's it. No confusing buttons. Cleaning? Rinse the blade, toss the cup in the dishwasher. If you've been overwhelmed choosing the right blender for frozen fruit or smoothie bowls, this removes the guesswork. Yet, how does it compare to premium models? Pros and cons. Honest talk pros: affordable. Compact. Reliable extraction. Perfect for single servings. Cons: not ideal for huge batches like larger countertop blenders. Here's my take: we recommend tools that earn their counter space, and this one does. If you want quick, thick blends without investing in a commercial-grade machine, this is a smart, stress-free choice. But if you're blending for a family daily, consider a larger model from our list. So tell me, are you team compact convenience or full-size power? On number 6 is Ninja Smoothie Maker. What if your blender never stalled, no matter how thick your smoothie bowl gets? Sounds bold, right? Let's talk about the Ninja Smoothie Maker, and why it's a serious contender in our top 7 lineup. Power that refuses to quit: 1,600 peak watts. That's not just a number, it's confidence. Frozen fruit, nut butter, seeds. It powers through without shaking or stopping. The built-in twist tamper is a lifesaver for thick blends. No more scraping the sides. Still wondering if it beats compact models? Smart features that actually help auto programs remove guesswork. Timed pulses. Perfect texture. The smart torque motor keeps speed steady under heavy loads, ideal for dense smoothie bowls. Compared to smaller personal blenders, this feels more commercial grade. But is bigger always better? Pros and cons. Real talk pros: extreme power. Versatile functions. Large capacity. Cons: takes more counter space. Higher price. On this channel, we stand behind gear that proves itself in everyday kitchens, and this one delivers. If you want control, thick consistency, and peace of mind, it's a smart investment. Blending solo? A compact unit may suffice. But for families or serious bowl lovers, this is the upgrade. At number 5 is CRANDDI Commercial Quiet Blender. What if I told you could make a giant, velvety smoothie bowl without waking the whole house? That's exactly what the CRANDDI Commercial Quiet Blender delivers. Unstoppable power meets silence: 2,200 watts and 38,000 revolutions per minute. This machine crushes nuts, fibrous fruits, and ice like a pro, yet the thickened noise reduction shield keeps it whisper quiet. Compared to other blenders on our top 7 list, this one feels like a high-end commercial blender you can safely run at home. XL capacity and versatility with an 80-ounce BPA-free pitcher, it's perfect for families, meal prep, or batch-making smoothie bowls. Soups, sauces, frozen desserts, you name it, it handles it. Cleaning is just as easy thanks to the pulse and rinse method. Pros and cons. Real talk pros: powerful, quiet, massive capacity, multifunctional. Cons: large footprint, heavier than personal blenders. If you crave efficiency, peace of mind, and smooth, creamy results every time, this is a smart, long-term investment. Single servings? Maybe a smaller model suffices, but for serious smoothie lovers, this one earns its spot. Do you prefer quiet power or compact convenience? At number 4 is Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender. Ever struggled with a blender that leaves chunks in your smoothie bowl? The Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender might just end that frustration. Smooth power in every blend with 700 watts and stainless steel ice saber blades, it crushes ice, frozen fruit, and seeds effortlessly. The patented wave action system keeps everything circulating, giving thick, creamy smoothie bowls every single time. Compared to compact personal blenders on our top 7 list, this one handles mid-sized batches without overthinking. Versatile and user-friendly 12 blending functions cover smoothies, shakes, soups, and even chopping or pureeing. The 40-ounce glass jar and spout make serving clean and easy. Cleaning is a breeze. Dishwasher-safe parts mean no scrubbing, just rinse and go. Pros and cons. Straight talk pros: powerful, consistent texture, versatile, easy cleanup. Cons: slightly larger footprint, not ideal for single-serve convenience. If you want reliability, smooth results, and stress-free prep, this blender is a smart, peace-of-mind choice. For solo servings, a smaller unit might be enough, but for families or batch-making smoothie bowls, it shines. Would you pick power or compact convenience for your kitchen? On number 3 is Turelar Portable Blender. Ever thought you could make a smooth, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl anywhere, without a bulky blender? The Turelar Portable Blender makes that dream a reality. Power meets portability with a 20,000 revolutions per minute motor. This little powerhouse crushes ice, frozen fruit, and seeds in seconds. It's perfect for single-serve smoothie bowls or shakes on the go. Compared to other blenders on our top 7 list, it's not as big or heavy, but the convenience factor is unmatched. Designed for busy lives, 2 24-ounce travel cups mean you blend, twist, and drink straight from the cup, perfect for gym sessions, office lunches, or weekend picnics. Adjustable speeds help preserve nutrients while protecting the motor, giving you peace of mind and consistency. Pros and cons. Honest take: pros: portable, fast, nutrient extraction, easy cleaning. Cons: smaller capacity, not ideal for family batches. If you're looking for quick, healthy, and stress-free blending anywhere, this is a smart, worry-free choice. But if you need to prep large smoothie bowls for the family, a countertop model may suit better. Do you prioritize portability or full-size power in your kitchen? At number 2 is GeBogy Personal Travel Blender. Ever felt frustrated carrying a bulky blender just to enjoy a fresh smoothie bowl? The GeBogy Personal Travel Blender solves that problem effortlessly. Big capacity, small package with an 800 ml, 27-ounce cup. This portable blender lets you prep generous single-serve smoothie bowls or protein shakes anywhere, home, gym, or on the go. Compared to other compact models in our top 7 picks, it's one of the rare portable blenders that actually feels substantial without being heavy. Safe, smart, and convenient double-tap start and auto shut-off prevent accidents. Leak-proof lid and overheat protection give peace of mind. USB Type-C charging means you can blend anywhere, car, park, or office, without hunting for outlets. Pros and cons. Real insight: pros: large capacity, portable, durable, easy cleaning, powerful 8-blade cutter. Cons: smaller batches for family use, slightly slower than full-size countertop blenders. If you value convenience, safety, and silky smooth results, this is a smart, stress-free choice. Families making big smoothie bowls might still prefer a countertop model. Would you pick freedom to blend anywhere or the raw power of a larger blender? Now moving to the last one is Aojudic Blender for Shakes. Ever tried making a smoothie bowl on the go, only to have your blender stall or spill everywhere? The Aojudic Blender for Shakes tackles that frustration head-on. Powerful, fast, and quiet, equipped with 4 stainless steel blades, it pulverizes ice, frozen fruit, and seeds in just 40 seconds. Unlike some other portable blenders in our top 7 lineup, this one balances speed and low noise, perfect for early mornings or office use without waking anyone. Safety and convenience first: waterproof design, USB Type-C charging, and automatic cleaning make it worry-free and user-friendly. Double protection mechanisms prevent accidental starts, giving you peace of mind while blending nutrient-rich smoothie bowls or protein shakes. Pros and cons. Real talk pros: fast, portable, quiet, safe, easy to clean. Cons: smaller capacity, not ideal for family-sized servings. If you want a portable, efficient, and safe option for on-the-go smoothie bowls, this is a smart, stress-free choice. Families needing larger batches may prefer a countertop model. Do you value portability or full-size blending power more in your kitchen? After testing all 7, the Ninja Smoothie Maker stands out as the winner. Its powerful motor and smart blending tech deliver consistently ultra-smooth textures for smoothie bowls, frozen blends, and more, without the guesswork. It handles both soft and tough ingredients effortlessly, making everyday use a breeze. Compared to smaller portable options, it's stronger and more versatile, and unlike basic countertop blenders, it blends thick mixtures without stalling. If you want reliable performance, convenience, and professional level results, this is the one to choose. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best blender for smoothie bowls. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.